the World Wide Web, a network that connects us all and is involved in almost every aspect of our lives. But did you know that trees also have their own Wood Wide Web? This vast underground communications network is made of small fungal threads that spread out across the forest floor. It's known as a mycorrhizal network. Tree roots only reach so far into the ground to pick up nutrients, and because of this, they need a little help from their mycorrhiza friends. The word mycorrhiza means fungus root. Masses of white threads underground coming out of the stems of mushrooms wrap around or penetrate the plant's roots. They're individually known as hyphae. Trees produce glucose as an energy source through photosynthesis. This energy can be shared through the mycorrhizal network that lives on their root systems. Without sugar, the fungi would not survive. These white fungal threads cast a broader net to gather resources than the tree roots do. So the two worked out a deal. Trees supply fungus with sugar, and fungus supplies trees with phosphorus, nitrogen, and water from the soil, among other things. But this symbiotic fungal network doesn't just supply trees with extra nutrients. It also interlinks with other trees, creating a two-way line of communication, which serves as a massive network for trees to share nutrients with each other, nurture seedlings, and warn others when under threat. Through this, trees can send nutrients and water to their neighbor, and the neighboring tree can reciprocate. Another feature of mycorrhizal networks is a technique called allelopathy, which is when a chemical signal is sent through the mycorrhizal network, allowing plants to warn their neighbors of impending threats. A study conducted on bean plants found that after a plant had been infested with aphids, it sent a warning signal through the mycorrhizal network to a neighboring plant, which thereafter released a chemical signal that attracted the aphid's predator, the parasitic wasp. Since plants can warn each other of threats, this does beg the question, could we use this as a tool to fight against agricultural pests and disease? Pesticides have been a huge part of increasing crop yields, but it's necessary to find alternative and less harmful ways to improve food security. Some researchers say that there's still not enough evidence to substantiate the claims made about these cooperative forests. Although the prevalence of these shared fungal networks and their relationships to the tree's growth remain to be fully supported, the existing studies leave us with tantalizing clues as to what could be. Science is meant to be questioned, but we have to keep asking in order to find the answer.